Can you say it in English?
Yeah. Will the Arab world accept the promised Messiah in a large number in the same way Bani Israel have accepted Jesus in a large number in places like Kashmir?
Bani Israel accepted Jesus when in large number?
In Kashmir and India.
In Kashmir. And what he was accepted to be?
Prophet of God.
A prophet of God, but a different perspective. It was claimed or predicted by Hazrat Buddha that after 550 years of my departure, a foreign Buddha would come to you, and you accept him as such. So he was accepted there as Buddha, a foreign Buddha, and that is why the entire valley of Kashmir, who was under the influence of Buddhism, turned into this neo-Buddhism of Jesus Christ. So although he preached that he had come from a country where he was about to be murdered with no crime of his, and God had saved him and asked him, commanded him to migrate from there. So all this was recorded in Hindu Puranas, Hindu historical annals. So he held both personalities together, one of Buddha or neo-Buddha I should say, and one of Masih. So similarly, Hazrat Masih has got two personalities. One personality is foreign to him, which is Masih, and one is, according to the Prophet of Rasulullah, that status of Imam Mahdi which he held. So sometimes two offices are mentioned in different terms of the same person. So this happened in the case of Jesus, and this happened in the case of Hazrat Masih as well. So I hope a time would come when the Arab world would also begin to see this. But so far I don't see any change in them in the future, because they are like the early people of Jesus Christ who rejected him. Those who accepted him were different people. So it means that perhaps Arab world as such would work exactly as the Jews confronted Jesus ﷺ and rejected him almost in total. So this is what happened in the Arab world, unfortunately. So I hope a time will definitely come, inshallah, but it is not in the visible near future.